morning, everyone. I am your news reporter for today's live, and my name is Christian Amatong.
And I am your second news reporter, Sheremy Bautista Bulayog.
And today, we are casting as a Dorot event in Dumaguete City.
Dorot is making headlines as its contingent prepares to participate in the Sinulog Festival in Cebu City. The performers representing Dumaguete will showcase their vibrant culture and heritage in the Sinulog 2025 Grand Ritual Showdown. Daily practice sessions are underway at Manuel L. Quezon Park, allowing the public to witness their preparations.
Yes, as we can see, the Sandurot Festival in Dumaguete City, known for celebrating the city's hospitality and unity. It's rooted in the Visayan word Pakipagsandurot, meaning to join in or to come together. It's a celebration of the city's welcoming nature and harmonious blend of diverse cultures and beliefs.
Good morning, everyone. We are here live in Baguio City, Philippines. The 57 fishermen who turned over several sacks of shabu they found floating in the waters of Bataan and Pangasinan last month are residents of barangay that have been declared drug-free according to the Philippine Drug Enforcement or PDEA.
We are here now witnesses. The activity was participated by various agencies and development including the Bureau of Fire Protection, Negros Occidental Police Provincial Office, Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Army 303rd Infantry Bridge, Philippine Red Cross, Department of Social Welfare and Development, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Department of Health, Department of Education together with the different offices of the provincial government.
Yes, just like Chris said, the 57 fishermen who turned over several sacks of shabu they found floating in the waters of Bataan and Pangasinan. Last month, are residents of barangays that have been declared drug-free according to the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or PDEA.
The fishermen reside in the village located in the towns of Maribel and Bataan, now in Pangasinan, which have been officially cleared of illegal drugs by the municipality's Regional Oversight Committee on Barangay Drug Clearing Program chaired by PDEA.
Audio Jungle.
We are here now in Washington, United States. U.S. President Donald Trump told Russia on Monday to end its Ukraine war within 50 days or face massive new economic sanctions, as he laid out plans for new infusion of weaponry for Kiev via NATO.
U.S. Republican Senator Lindsey Graham and Democratic Senator Richard Blumenthal, who are pushing a bipartisan bill on Russia's secondary synchrons, praised Trump's powerful move.
Manny Pacquiao will attempt to do just that when he steps into the ring, coming off a 4-year retirement on July 19 against WBC welterweight champion Mario Barrios. At 46 years, Pacquiao is chasing history. Beating Barrios won't just add to his legend.
Hopkins has held the record since winning the WC light heavyweight title after beating Jean Pascal in May 2011 at the age of 46 years and 126 days. The ageless Hopkins, who had his best years as an undisputed middleweight king, went on to reset her smart play. Chris Aquino revealed she's battling 11 autoimmune diseases and has become wheelchair-bound, while Zanjo Marodo is set to begin filming a new series after his US concert tour. Rayback Kinnery and Vern Ong are reportedly co-parenting well after their recent breakup, and Jewel Mish is open to returning to showbiz.
Zanjoy Morado revealed the toxic trait he disliked the most. Meanwhile, Nicole Hayala shared her experience after undergoing a total thyroidectomy, stating her iconic voice was reserved. Rivera Canary discussed her parenting relationship with her ex-partner, Vera Ong, saying they are good place according to ABS.
Habagat rains expected across PH. Southwest monsoon or habagat continues to affect the country. According to Pag-asa's daily weather forecast at 4 p.m. Saturday, the southwest monsoon will cause occasional rains over Ilocos Sur, La Union, Zambales, Bataan, and Occidental Mindoro, and cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorm over Metro Manila, the Cordillera Administrative Region, Cagayan Valley, Calabarzon, the rest of the Ilocos region, the rest of Central Luzon, the rest of Mimaropa.